Hello. It's been 12,000 years since I updated you on my lip project. Sorry. Life's been crazy. Anyways, back here on my vanity are all my lip books from my previous videos. We got the gold one, the mini silver, the red, the black. They're all full. Check my other videos for the contents. I'm going to make like a table of contents for them is what my plan is. But anyways, this did not contain all of my lip stuff, as you may know. So, my lip stuff used to be these two bottom drawers, and it was a nightmare. I'll put a picture here. But now, it's only this drawer and those books. So, this drawer has the lipsticks that were either too big to fit, or, you know, other reasons. Maybe they're fancy. You know, got that Pat McGrath Supreme. And all my lip glosses that are in tubes, because those did not fit and they're a pain in the ass. So all my tube lip glosses over there. Got all of the lip plumpers in this category here, and that Pat McGrath and these little baby Pat McGraths I got at TJ Maxx. And then over in this row, I think these are all the Kim Kardashian beauty lip glosses. I want to say they're all upside down to show the name. I think they are those. And then some other little lip glosses, little babies. Over here we've got, I think, CoverGirl, it looks like, Maybelline maybe. This is a Chanel lip palette in here. Too Faced, I think, is that sparkly one. Over here, it looks like, what is that? Is that Givenchy? And maybe Tom Ford. Some fancy ones. And then these are all my NARS, like the Power Pigments, the mini lipsticks, Dior. And then over here, these are the mini, like, liquid lipsticks. These are like Kylie ones and some other ones. There's like the big Kylie ones in here, and some like samples down there, and some extra chapsticks. And then this is just like random new stuff I just recently got. This is a Give Beauty liquid lipstick. This is the Ouch Hurt Me Too Faced lip injection. Doesn't even hurt that bad. This is a Viseart. Haven't tried this yet. And this I just picked up on my recent trip. Revlon matte lip crayon. What color is he? Sky High. Anyways, he's really pretty and stays really well. I wore him to two concerts I was in LA for, and really awesome. So that was a recent Walgreens pickup. But that's what the lip situation is now. I'm very happy with it, and there's room, you know, to add more if I need to of these kinds. It's hard to see, but back there you can see those gold and silvers. Those are all Winky Looks. They're a weird shape. They don't really stand up. They're like a pill shape. Anyways, that's the conclusion of my lip saga. So it's that drawer, and then these 3 lip books, and they're here on the side of my vanity for convenience. And soon I will have them organized with late table of contents and whatnot, but it's been cool and fun, and I'm happy about it. So yeah, I will be back shortly with a video that is not about my lip stuff now that I'm done, but I did not want to come back without addressing the lip gloss in the room. So peace out.